Okay, now we have this question. We have to prove that distance HO, where H is orthocenter, O is circumcenter. This is equal to circumradius multiplied by square root of 1 minus 8 cos A cos B cos C. हमें ऑर्थोसेंटर एंड सर्कमसेंटर के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है. So here we are considering acute angle triangle ABC. Here H is orthocenter, where altitudes of triangle meet. Okay. Now what is circumcenter? It is the center of circle which circumscribes the triangle, or it is a point where perpendicular bisectors of sides meet. Okay. Let's mark circumcenter. We have here midpoint of BC. This is a perpendicular bisector of side BC. Okay. This is midpoint of AC. We have here perpendicular bisector of side AC. These two bisectors meet at this point. This is point O, which is circumcenter of triangle. Okay. Now we have to get distance HO. हमें इन दोनों सेंटर्स के बीच का डिस्टेंस निकालना है. How can we find this distance? We should consider HO in some triangle. किसी ट्राइंगल में हमें HO को कंसिडर करना पड़ेगा. Then we will solve that triangle. ठीक है ना? We can consider HO in triangle BHO. Join B and circumcenter O. We can consider triangle BHO. Okay. In this triangle, we have to find HO. Okay. Now, what is distance OB? Distance OB is circumradius R. ठीक है ना? And distance HB, distance of orthocenter from vertex B is 2R cos B. ठीक है ना? So we have now sides BO and BH in triangle BHO. That means to find HO, we must get this angle, angle HBO. Okay. अगर हमें ये एंगल मिल जाता है तो हम कोसाइन रूल से HO निकाल सकते हैं. वी कैन यूज कोसाइन रूल टू गेट डिस्टेंस HO. नाउ व्हाट विल बी दिस एंगल? क्या होगा ये एंगल? नाउ वी फाइंड दिस एंगल. दिस इज पॉइंट E, दिस इज पॉइंट F. ओके, fit of perpendiculars. Now this angle is, for this angle we consider right angle triangle AEB. This angle is A, so this angle will be 90 minus A. ठीक है ना? Then we find this angle. ठीक है, क्या होगा ये एंगल? कैसे निकालेंगे? Here we join circumcenter and vertex C. Okay. What will be this angle? This angle will be double of this angle. Okay. This is property of circle. Chord subtends double the angle what it subtends at the circumference. ठीक है ना? This is angle A, so this angle will be 2A. ये angle क्या हो जाएगा? 2A हो जाएगा. Now here triangles. Suppose this is point P, midpoint of BC. Okay. Now triangles BPO and CPO are congruent. ये दोनों triangles क्या होंगे? Congruent होंगे. We have BO is equal to OC is equal to R. BP is equal to PC is equal to A upon 2. Here P is midpoint of BC. So triangles OPB and OPC are congruent. Okay. So this angle is A and this angle is also A. ठीक है ना? So this angle will be 90 minus A. Okay. Now we can get this angle. This angle is B minus 90 minus A minus 90 minus A. We have angle HBO is equal to B minus 2 times 90 minus A. So this is B plus 2A minus 180 degree. So we have here B plus 2A minus A plus B plus C. Here I am writing 180 degree as A plus B plus C. So this is equal to A minus C. This angle is A minus C. ठीक है ना? Okay, now we can find HO using cosine rule. Using cosine rule, we have HO square is equal to BH square. BH square is 4R square cos square B plus OB square. OB square is R square minus 2 multiplied by BH multiplied by BO. We have 2r cos b multiply by r multiply by cos of angle between BH and BO. This angle is A minus C. So we have here cos A minus C. Okay. Okay, now let's simplify this. From these two terms, we have a minus 4r square cos b common. So HO square is r square minus 4r square cos b inside bracket. We have minus cos b plus cos A minus C. This is equal to r square minus 4r square cos b. In triangle ABC, cos b is minus cos A plus C. So we have here cos of A plus C plus cos of A minus C. Using CD formula, we get here 2 cos A cos C. So this is equal to r square. Inside bracket, we have 1 minus 8 cos A cos B cos C. Okay. So we have now HO square is equal to this. So HO is r multiplied by square root of this. We got distance between orthocenter and circumcenter. ठीक है, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग क्वेश्चन है. यहाँ पे हमने पूरे ट्राइंगल को डिकोड कर लिया. वी आर डिकोडिंग ट्राइंगल with respect to orthocenter and circumcenter. Let's do one more geometry with circumcenter and orthocenter. Okay, now here we have one very interesting geometry which involves orthocenter, circumcenter and centroid. The result is in triangle ABC, which is not equilateral triangle, in triangle ABC, centroid G divides HO in ratio 2:1, where H is orthocenter and O is circumcenter. Here we are considering acute angle triangle ABC. H is orthocenter where altitudes meet. Okay. Let's mark circumcenter. It is point where perpendicular bisectors of sides meet. Okay. This is midpoint of BC. This is perpendicular bisector of BC. This is midpoint of AC and this is perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay. These perpendicular bisectors meet at a point which is circumcenter of triangle. This is circumcenter O. Okay. Join H and O. Okay. Now we have to prove that centroid G divides HO in the ratio 2:1. That means orthocenter, centroid and circumcenter are collinear and this ratio is 2:1. We have to prove this. Now centroid is point where medians of triangle meet. Let's draw one median. We have here a midpoint of BC. Join vertex A and P. We have here median AP. Okay. Now centroid lies on median. That means we have to prove that this point is centroid, and also we have to prove that this distance upon this distance is equal to 2/1. Okay. Ratio of these two distances is 2:1. Now suppose this is point N. Okay. We have to prove that this point N is nothing but centroid. It is centroid G. कैसे प्रूव करेंगे? Okay, now we consider triangles HAN and PON. We are considering triangles AHN and PON. ठीक है ना? Now these two angles are equal. These two angles are vertically opposite angles. Okay. Also, these two angles are equal. ये दोनों एंगल्स इक्वल होंगे ना. वी हैव Z पैटर्न. ठीक है, तो ये दोनों एंगल्स सेम होंगे. दैट मीन्स दिस टू ट्राइंगल्स आर सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स. ट्राइंगल्स AHN एंड PON जो है वो क्या हो जाएंगे? सिमिलर ट्राइंगल्स हो जाएंगे. ओके, दैट मीन्स वी हैव H अपॉन PO. दिस इज इक्वल टू HN upon ON. Okay, this is equal to ए एन अपॉन एन पी, ठीक है ना। नाउ व्हाट इज एच अपॉन पी ओ? Distance AH is distance of orthocenter from vertex A. This is 2r cos A. Okay. Distance OP is distance of circumcenter from side BC, which is r cos A. R cos A gets cancelled out, so we are getting this ratio as 2 upon 1. Okay. That means n upon np is 2:1. ये रेशियो भी क्या हो जाएगा, 2/1 हो जाएगा. And point on median that divides median in the ratio 2:1 is सेंट्रॉइड, ठीक है ना. मीडियन के ऊपर एक पॉइंट है जो उसको 2:1 रेशियो में डिवाइड कर रहा है, तो वो पॉइंट क्या होगा, डेफिनेटली दैट पॉइंट विल बी सेंट्रॉइड. सो हियर पॉइंट एन इज एक्चुअली सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ ट्राइंगल एबीसी, ठीक है ना. तो ये प्रूव हो गया कि पॉइंट्स एच जी ओ कोलिनियर होंगे. वी प्रूव दैट एच जी ओ आर कोलिनियर. Now we have to prove that Hg upon Go is equal to 2:1, which is there. Here replace n by g. We have Hg upon Og. This is equal to 2/1. So we prove that centroid divides HO in the ratio 2:1. ठीक है ना? Here we are making use of these formulas, distance of orthocenter from vertex A and distance of circumcenter from side BC. हम इसको यूज करके ये प्रूव कर रहे हैं, ठीक है ना.